CD4012 is dual 4 input NAND gate. Can we use as AND gate? Let's see. We will take AND gate function from this IC. In last video I shared the function of 4012 IC, that is dual 4 input NAND gate. Now we will see the possibilities to make it as a AND gate. If we don't have 4 input AND gate, we can convert this IC as a AND gate function. Let's suppose we have this input A, B, C, D. Y output. Y is equal to A dot B dot C dot D bar. This is NAND function. Same here. If I will write it E, F, G, H. Output Z from this section E dot F dot G dot H bar. When all inputs are high, output will low. 4 inputs, 2n method, 2 raised power 4, that means 16 possible input combinations can be applied to this IC. Out of 16, just only one combination. When all inputs are high, output will low. Any one input is low or all inputs are low, output will high. If we need AND gate function and we don't have AND gate IC, we can use CD4012 IC, that is inverter. We will take this output, we will inject here. This output will A dot B dot C dot D. If we will bring this output here and we will take from this output, this inverter will cancel the function of this inverter. So we can place second IC. Same way we can use another gate here. So we will take 4 input AND gate, 4 input AND gate. Let's suppose if we have any circuit that needs only one NAND gate function or one AND gate function and we have this IC available, we need just only 4 inputs. In that situation we can use this gate as an inverter. We will jumper all pins together and we will inject the same output here. This NAND gate will work as inverter. So output here will Z will equal to, now this is input and this is output, A dot B dot C dot D bar here, and second inverter will invert it again. So both inverters will cancel to each other. Z is equal to A dot B dot C dot D. That is purely AND gate function. Let's use this combination. We can use this IC plus CD4049. That will work as an inverter. This LED cathode grounded, one resistor at anode. We will take output from pin number 13. We will make jumper between pin number 9, 10, 11, 12. We will jumper all pins together. We will connect pin number 1 to all these jumpered inputs. All inputs are high, output is high. Here is NAND gate function and here is AND gate function. The same. Y is equal to A dot B dot C dot D bar. So all high inputs are now barred here, but here we have high output. Any input is low here, we will find high here, but this will invert again, so we will take low output. Yes, here is NAND gate, here is AND gate. One input low, AND gate output will low. Two inputs low, output is low. If three inputs are low, final output AND gate function is low. All inputs are low, NAND gate is providing high output, but AND gate is providing low output. This is pure function of AND gate, and this is NAND gate. From one IC, we are taking NAND gate function, 4 input NAND gate and 4 input AND gate. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.